Construction Site, You're Just Right by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and A.G. Ford. Down in the big construction site, the trucks work hard to build things right. But as they rev and work and play, there are surprises on the way because, hooray, it's Valentine's Day. Excavator digs, then turns around, and whoa, there's something on the ground. You dig and lift and lead the way. You help the team so much each day. Thanks for keeping us in line. Now, guess who pushed this Valentine? Bulldozer's working hard today, but gasp! There's something in his way, a massive Valentine. He reads, "You are just what our team needs. You push and clear from start to end. We're so happy you're our friend. I made this Valentine for you. I dumped it here. It's from guess who?" As dump truck hauls a heavy load, he spies something on the road. Now dump truck gets a special card. "You help us all. You work so hard. I churned and poured this Valentine. Guess who? You're a great friend of mine." Cement mixers rolling right in line, and then looks up and sees a sign. It's like a giant roadside letter. "You're the best. There's no one better. When we need concrete, you're the one. And you always make work fun. When we need you, you're in gear. Now guess who put this way up here?" On crane truck's hook, oh look, a note. He lifts to read what someone wrote. "We love that you are strong and tall, and next to you I'm very small. You set things right where they should go. Who made this card? Now, do you know?" Skid steer drills. She lifts and drives, and then a Valentine arrives. A great big card for small skid steer. "We're so glad to have you here. You switch attachments, help us through. There's no end to what you can do. You dig and lift like I can too. Can you guess who sent this card to you?" As they went along their way, each truck got a surprise today from another friend on site that said, "You're special, you're just right, you're important, you are strong, you're a friend and you belong. There's someone else who's just right too. There's one more member of the crew. They're special, awesome, and it's you. Happy Valentine's Day." The end. Storytime Library with Ilona. Thank you for watching. See you next time.